So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab that's running pipelines on Vertex AI 2.5. So first of all, click on Start Lab and open the console incognito window. Now here, if it asks for username and password, you know the drill. Just check the lab instruction for it. Now here, click on I understand. Once you have clicked on I understand, the console will open. There you have to just do one thing, just check the box and click on agree and continue. Let me show you how you have to do. Just do it like this. Now here we have to enable some permissions. So from navigation menu, just go to this and click on IAM. Here we have to just add permission, basically the storage admin role to the compute developer. You can see it will look like this. Do not worry, I will show you how it will be done. So here we have to just do this thing. And also we have to execute some files in the Cloud Shell. Basically we will copy the files and create the bucket too. So first of all, let's enable the permission. So from here you can see here, let's activate the Cloud Shell also. Meanwhile, let's minimize it for a while. And from here you can see compute developer. You have to just click on this pencil icon, wait for a few seconds till it load. Now click on add another role. And from the navigation menu, just type storage admin. Just type it, select it and just save it. So once you have saved the storage admin, now again activate the Cloud Shell and click on continue and just authorize yourself. Now just click on authorize. Now let me increase the font size, because I came to know many people are doing labs with mobile only. Now come to here and from here just copy it and just paste it over here. So basically this command is just creating a bucket named as our project ID only, as bucket needs to be globally unique. Now the second thing it is doing is creating some files and some empty files too. Now this is done. Now the next step is that we have to just run this. Basically we have to download the pipeline. So this is done. And here just click on the check my progress. You'll get the score without any issue. Now the next step is that we have to just update the project ID. So by running this, updated the project ID. Now run this command. You can view our project ID is visible here. And here once it's done, if you want to just view more details, you can check it. It is not needed as of now. Just copy it. Just follow the way I am doing in the video and you'll be able to complete the lab. Now this is also done. Now chances are there you may hit the score and we have completed the lab as part of this course is concerned. But sometimes what happens, we have some extra steps in some labs. So I am doing. Basically, if you are able to get full score on this lab, you can end this lab now. And if you are unable to see the score, just go it like this from Vertex AI to pipelines. We will deploy one pipeline over here. Okay. Just click on create run. You have to click on create run. And if you are unable to see any files or it's not working, just reload the browser window. Now here, just make sure the Cloud Shell is minimized or not active. Now from here, click on import from cloud storage and just select the bucket. Okay. Now here two files are there. We have to click on the input section. And from here, you can verify also. They have mentioned select from input. Now just follow the way I am doing and just select it. Once you have done, all things will be updated automatically here. Now make sure to take care of this region. Region is unique for each lab and each person. So as per your lab instructions, just update the region. And here you have to just click on continue and just click on submit. Okay. So it will take some time. Sometimes what happens, you get internal error. If you face this kind of error, I am showing it because many people are facing such kind of error. So what you need to do, such kind of error, you can come back again to that page, basically where we created this run file. Okay. So here just come back, wait for a few seconds and then just create run. Maybe sometimes what happens, due to resources issue, we are facing issue. Now here again repeat the same process. I am doing this because I could have skipped this part, but many of you may face this kind of issue, and it is very important that you understand each and every bug also what we may face. Now here you have to just click on submit and you can see it started being created. Now what happens here, you can see it will show succeeded. Currently it's starting and it will update to running, and then it will show succeeded. As I said earlier in this part of this video, you can see if you are not getting score in this lab, you need to wait for it to get completed from running to succeeded. But we already got the score, so we can definitely end the lab. I am saying again, if you are unable to see the score for this particular task, maybe lab gets updated, wait for it to get completed and then check the score. Okay, that's all for today. Do like the video.